Today I am Manmat Lohgaonkar, HOD and Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Mahavidyalaya, Srivanna, affiliated to Pune University. Today we will see scope of statistics. Scope of statistics in this chapter. First point is introduction to statistics, meaning of statistics, importance and scope of statistics in industry, medical sciences, social sciences, management sciences, agriculture and insurance, information technology, education and psychology. There are various statistical organizations in India, and there are statistical heritage in Indian perspective. First scientist is Dr. P.C. Mahalanobis, second V.S. Huzur-Bazar, Dr. P.V. Sukatme, and Dr. C.R. Rao. Now, first point is meaning of statistics. Now, statistics is derived from the Latin word status or the Italian word statista, which means a political state. The word statistics is used in two different ways, plural and singular. As a plural noun, it refers to numerical data or quantitative data relating to finished data. We often say the statistics of production in agriculture in Maharashtra so and so. Such a statement gives certain quantitative data about agriculture production in Maharashtra. As a singular noun, the word refers to statistical methods or methodology of statistics, that is, collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of quantitative data. Now, we will see the next point is definition of statistics. Now, definition of statistics is defined in various scientists. We will see some of few. Croxton and Cowden. Statistics or statistical methods are treated as a branch of science which deals with collection, tabulation, presentation, and analysis and interpretation of data. These points are important to define the statistics. Now, the Sir R.A. Fisher is defined. Statistics is a branch of applied mathematics which specializes in data. I also define what is meant by statistics. By experience, I define statistics is quantitative things which can understand layman is called statistics, or pattern of anything which can understand layman is called statistics. Now the next point is importance of statistics or utility of statistics. Statistical methods enable to condense the data. It facilitates several functions apart from summarization. Statistical methods give tools of comparison, estimation, prediction is also possible using statistical tools. We can get idea about the shape, spread, symmetry of the data, interrelation between two or more variables can be measured using statistical technique. Statistical methods help in planning, controlling, decision making. The use of statistical methods is important because considerable amount of timely money, manpower can be saved. Uncertainties can be reduced to get reliable results. Statistical methods give systematic of data collection and investigation. Next point is scope of statistics. The tools and techniques of statistical methods are used in following fields at several phases. Statistics in industry. Scope of statistics. The tools and statistics in industry. Industry makes use of statistics at several places such as administration, planning, production, growth and development. In many industries, statistical quality control division is separately operating, mainly whether manufacturing goods possesses a desirable standard or not is examined using various control charts. These inspections are done at the time of production. Online process capabilities goods or semi-finished goods are inspected using acceptance sampling plan of various types. ISO 9000 is used and designs of experiment is also used. Newly installed machinery is tested for its performance using statistical methods. Sampling technique is used. Multiple regression planes are used for forecasting when several factors are interlinked. Now the next point is statistics is used in biological sciences. Scientist Sir Francis Galton used statistics in studying heredity. He pioneered the use of statistical methods in biological sciences. The regression analysis was used by him in the field of genetics. Scientist Mendel performed number of experiments in the field of genetics. Demography uses statistical methods for forecasting population, measuring death rates, birth rates, growth rates, etc. Average longevity of human can be estimated using statistical tools. Infant mortality rates can also be measured using statistics. It serves as an indicator of health conditions of a country. Estimation of sex ratio is possible using statistical tools. Now, statistics is used in agriculture. Design of experiment technique is used to test the interaction effects. For example, the interaction effect of fertilizer and irrigation. It saves amount of time due to statistical methods. Otherwise, separate experiments are to be performed to verify the various factors several times. These experiments help the scientists in developing various hybrid species having specific characteristics such as disease resistance, high yield, requirement of less irrigation facility, etc. Various methods of irrigation such as drip irrigation, pot irrigation, sprinkler, etc. can be compared using statistical tests. The effect of alkalinity of water, hardness, impurities in the water on growth of plants which receive such water can be tested using statistical test. Estimation of number of trees in a jungle, forest density, number of animals in a jungle, fish in a lake can be done using various statistical techniques. Now, statistics is used in medical sciences. In the field of medical sciences, statistical methods are used to test various claims such as does smoking increase the possibility of prognosis of cancer? Is there any correlation between age and blood pressure? Is a particular vaccine useful in controlling a particular disease? Whether growth of a baby is normal? The conjectures, that is guess, made by experts can be supported by statistical data. Such conjectures can also be tested. Effectiveness of remedial medicines can be tested statistically. Thus, statistics helps every respect in this field. Now, statistics is used in economics. In the field of economics, huge amount of data are needed to be processed and interpreted. Estimation of national income, per capita income, poverty line, industrial production, etc. is done using statistical technique. A tool known as index number is used to measure the average increase in prices, production income, volume of import, export, etc. Index numbers are called as economic barometer. Index numbers are used in determining real income, deflation, cost of living index number to measure the changes in prices of shares in stock market. Index number provides the best tool. Several interlinked activities in economics can be studied. For example, the relation between prices and supply, the relation between demand and prices, the relation between sales and profit, demand analysis, time series analysis technique are mainly developed to study economics. They are the gift given by statistics. Now, statistics is used in social sciences. The social sciences, we need to test association between two variables such as education and criminality, education and marriage adjustment score, sex and education, richness and criminality, etc. Now, statistics is used in management sciences for efficient working. Various sections of management such as sales, production, marketing, statistical methods are used. Different statistical tools such as forecasting, test of high significance, index numbers, time series analysis, statistical quality control, estimation play vital role in management activities. Apart from this, various optimization techniques known as linear programming, transportation technique, job assignment problem, sequencing, CPM, and PERT replacement problems, um, inventory control are also useful. Now, statistics used in insurance. Life table or mortality rates play key role in life insurance policies. In order to decide the premium, insurance company has to use mortality rates which are determined using statistical methods. Mortality rates depend upon age, sex, occupation, residential area, heredity. Now, statistics is used in psychology and education. In the field of psychology, human traits are interrelated. The powerful techniques of measuring such a dependence is correlation. We can study relation between productivity and intelligence, productivity and emotional quotient, multivariate analysis, correlation and regression are the most applicable tools of statistics which are used in the field of psychology. Analysis of variance is developed to test the most effective methods of teaching and communication. The relation between interrelated variables is studied using correlation, regression, factor analysis, and multivariate technique are also used to great extent. Forecasting and predictions are required every now and then. In order to study equivalence between two examinations, for example, SSC board score and CBSE board score, or score of arts and that the science students, can be compared using percentile rank. Now, the statistics is used in computer science. Nowadays, several statistical software packages like Minitab, MATLAB, StatPack, SAS, SPSS, CStat, etc. are used for data analysis, forecasting, prediction, estimation, curve fitting. Now, statistics is used as a computer science is an assembly of several components. The life of each component is a variable having some probability distribution. The average life of each component as well as the assembled product can be determined using statistical methods. Reliability of component and system may help the manufacturer to decide the guarantee period of computer as well as to user to decide the policy of replacement of spare parts. Thank you.